Tourism Northern Ireland is delighted to kick off this series of Innovate Tourism workshops. Innovation is the lifeblood of any business. This series aims to help tourism businesses learn more about innovation, how innovation can drive business growth, increase efficiency and productivity, and ultimately deliver an exceptional visitor experience.
This workshop today is to really bring to life the need for businesses, no matter what size they are within the tourism sector, to engage in innovation and learn some tools, techniques to help them navigate the Innovate NI innovation framework, to take that idea that they might have right through to successful commercialisation of their innovation within the tourism sector.
I've spent the last 13 years in England, so coming back here now, the change that I've seen both in the growth of the market, the type of quality of products that there are available. This is a really exciting time to be here. It's one of the reasons why I came back, to sort of realise the promise of that potential.
We've got multiple different departments that come together, to create this whole experience, and we look to innovate every part of the business and continue to innovate across the business. Obviously, typically you're looking at a customer journey and it becomes very customer focused, but we would do it in back of house areas as well, in terms of the way we report and the way we even go through our recruitment processes and the way we take care of our employees. So innovation's everywhere.
It's actually been really enlightening today at the roadshow here, that I wasn't quite sure what I was expecting, but I've thoroughly enjoyed the process of breaking the system down, because we're very much innovation driven, so sometimes we just get into a little bit of a headlock. So to break it all down and start with the basics and work our way back up again has been really insightful.
It very much gives you an idea of stepping back and overseeing the business from another perspective, and also even mingling and chatting with other tourism providers, experience providers, accommodation providers. Again, creates that really good networking opportunity to help to what we all want, the goal of doing our best and doing better.
What it has done is given me more clarity to my business. I like the methodology of it, and I like how they're explaining you go from your idea to having value. So that's been really important, and I've really enjoyed it.
Well, I'm actually delighted that we're doing this set of workshops, and we've been working with Tourism NI and Innovate NI on how we need to position innovation within tourism. I think sometimes innovation can be a bit exclusive. People maybe talk a different language, and that's what's really great about what we're doing here, because it's about making it relevant to our businesses on the ground.
To find out more about how we can help your tourism business, please click on tourismni.com.